Alright, so Apple just released a new firmware update for the AirPods 4, and it's both versions of the AirPods 4, so the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation and also the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. Now this firmware version is called 7B20, and I believe we're coming from 7B19, which came out about 2 weeks ago. Now based off the release notes, all it says is that bug fixes and other improvements have been made. Now personally, I don't really see any difference or hear any difference. Let me know down below in the comment section if you notice any difference with this update. But let me show you guys how to check if you're on the latest update. So if you go to settings and just connect your earpods real quick, just open the case like that, then it will connect. This is the AirPods 4 without active noise cancellation. You just scroll all the way to the bottom and then you'll see version, and as you can see right here, we are on 7B20, and that's the latest version. Also, you want to make sure that your device that you're connected to is on the latest iOS version also, so just go to open software update and make sure that you're on the latest iOS version, which is iOS 18.1 at the time I'm recording this video. And the same with the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation. Just open the case, wait for it to connect, just go to settings for the AirPods 4 with active noise cancellation, and then scroll all the way down, and then right here you should see the version. As you can see right here, this one is not up to date as yet, but if you want to update it, just make sure that it is connected to your iPhone, and just make sure it's in close proximity to your iPhone, and just give it a couple minutes or a couple seconds, and eventually it will update. Also, you could try plugging it into a power source while it's close to your phone and connected, but if that doesn't work, you can also try to listen to a music for a couple of seconds and then put it back in the case and just keep it in close proximity to your phone. Eventually it will update automatically. Unfortunately, there's not a way to update your AirPods manually, so you just have to give it some time for it to update automatically. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Let me know down below in the comment section if you guys notice any difference with this update on the AirPods 4 with or without active noise cancellation. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if this video was helpful to you, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. Oh, before we go, make sure you subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers, because we're almost at 5,000 subscribers, and I want to get to 5,000 subscribers before the end of November. So subscribe so we can get to 5,000 subscribers. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. If you guys are looking for a portable charger, then this one might just be the best one for you right here. A link will be down below in the description if you guys want to check this out. Right here, as you can see, we have a bunch of different cables. We have the lightning cable, we have the USB-C cable, and we have the old USB cable right here. So now you can see you can pop out the USB-C cable just like that. Just give me some time. It's kind of hard to get out, but yeah, eventually you take it out. You can just plug it in and charge your AirPods 4 right away, just like that. And if you don't want to like use any wires or any cables, you can always just put it on the MagSafe charger like that, and it will charge right away. And this charger right here, you can recharge it by AC outlet, or you can recharge it by the sun. If you're an outdoor person, this will be perfect for you for those hikes or those picnics or whatever. It's a pretty good charger, pretty compact. It has a lot to it, but it's very lightweight and everything. You don't have to worry about charging it because you can charge it by the sun. A link will be down below in the description if you want to check it out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.